Welcome guys, I'm going to show you a 167 pip winner now on the pound. Thank you to the elections which are still ongoing. I held them. I'm going to be out of all pound, well I am now out of all pound pairs because we are getting further into the night and we're starting to get some idea of the results. But I got a very nice kick on the pound, which gave me that 167 pip winner and a 500 pip winner as well. Now, again, keep harping on about this. I only have access to the laptop, and what keeps happening is I keep forgetting to physically save the first part of the video. So what I'm going to do is just play you a couple of minute clip from a quick hit YouTube video I sent out earlier today talking through the trade. Then you're going to see the second half of the video showing that 167 pip winner. So hold on guys and watch this space. We have not quite reached that target as yet. So as we drop down the time frames, as per the educational material, we're simply going to be looking for a way to get involved with the trade. And what we do is we can look at the trends. So we had a move higher, a pullback, a move higher, a pullback, a move higher, a pullback, a move higher, and now we're seeing a pullback. So within that pullback we can then look for entry reasons, and I can be a little bit more aggressive here because I know that there's a higher probability of going higher than lower. And what I was paying attention to was these areas just here, these wicks just here. Okay, so we've got a nice area. In fact, I'm just going to expand this a little bit. Now it's not the very lows, but what we do have is 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the fifth area just here where we've seen price hold. Now this area here we did actually break below it, but if you look left we actually held this structure level, so that is not a confirmed break below, close below. So this is an area that has held in the past. So as we drop down the time frames, we go down to the 15-minute, what do we see? Well, we see within that zone a valid double bottom. You can see we've got divergence there, went overbought, and now we're seeing a very large rally. We've seen a rally. So I'm just going to drop here back down to the 60. That's thrown me into profit. What it means is stop's just going ATR below this double bottom on the 15-minute. So we're looking at 40 pips of risk, but the targets up here are 169. I'm just going to go out and make sure I've got those positioned correctly. So we want that 127 fib. Are we on that correctly? Yep. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is just front run this trade so that I'm not directly 40 pips for 104 to 1. Trades over the last week or so have been very good rewards to risks. Remember the pound Aussie was pound dollar was similar. Look at a couple of other trades. Okay guys, welcome back. This trade now has just gone on to hit targets, which I'll show you in a moment. I'll tell you as well that I did not exit the trade because we are not far enough along to know the results of the election, so I was quite happy to hold the trade. This was the double bottom, just as a quick recap. This was the double bottom, stops were an ATR below it. Price literally came down to retest that low again, held structure, and from there, boom, we rallied up to hit those targets. Now, I have been saying, those of you that have been following me for a long time, that I was in this low and tight flag in my main account, which has hit for 577 pips, my biggest win ever However, I am not going to log it, guys, on the trade logger, because the proof of it, the video of it, is in my computer, which is in storage. But I got involved around about here. 400, actually 477, not 577 it would have been. However, if we drop down to this trade, and this is the one that I am going to log, it was from my entry about here to here. That was the 167 pipper, which that's the one I have proof of, and I'm going to log. So beautiful, beautiful trade. My best 2 months of trading all year. I could have even done better, and I am going to do better, because fingers crossed, those of you that are in the trade with me, congratulations. We are putting in new highs here and have a high probability of going up here to hit for those 100 pips. Let me just do a quick recap just while I've got you guys on here. Massive moves in the pound. Not unexpected to see big rallies. Big rallies. Pound dollar. We already won on that, so beautiful, beautiful trade. 167 pips, guys. I will be putting in the trade log to add to a phenomenal week of trading.